Okay, this video is meant to show how to upload using iframe coding, which is standard with YouTube now. We're going to take a YouTube video and embed it on a WordPress blog site. And this video is for Dick Evans, a local cartoonist, and we're working on a video campaign. And we just set up a new channel, Dick Evans Cartoons, and that's why this doesn't look totally filled out like most YouTube channels yet. We just added a custom color so it's blue, and we've got a video here that we'll hear set up and run here in just a moment. Okay, so it plays fine on YouTube. It's hitting on something that's current events right now.
I'm a cartoonist,
and it's important that we get this out quickly. But we also want to broadcast it. We also want to broadcast it on his blog site. And by doing so, we expect to get more traffic, more views, and more people to visit his blog and interact and have a discussion. So the first thing we want to do is click on Share. So that's the Share item here in YouTube. So it's pretty standardized. Then next, we'll notice that there's a sharing link. So you could use this in a typical, how do I say it? Email. Let's say you want to attach this on an email or put it in as a link in a blog post. You could do that, and it would link back to YouTube. So this is what it looks like if you use that link. Just copied and paste that into the URL. Hit enter, and it takes us to YouTube. So instead of looking at Dick Evans Cartoons channel, we're now looking at YouTube as a user. So
Hi.
Notice right away the difference.
My name is Dick Evans.
On what's going on.
I'm a cartoonist.
And we've done a little bit of optimization and putting some information in, pretty much just dictating or transcribing the information that Dick is talking about in the video, and also a link at the bottom of the description. Oftentimes you'll see people who have a lot of success with YouTube might put it right at the top. We're not there yet, so we don't mind putting in the bottom if people are really interested in this and they get to the bottom. They could click on the link to go to the blog site, and this is the blog location for Dick Evans, which his company is bearclawspublications.com. And I'm already logged in, so there you might notice the dashboard up here and this menu bar that gives us a little bit more control over what we're doing. So let's go back to the original YouTube channel, and we'll click on Share. So we're here, we've got our link. Well, instead we want to actually embed, that's the phrase you want to use, embed. And now we'll see the options to use the embed code for YouTube videos. And this starts out with a standard. I take that back. It's already changed things based on what I want because I've already gone through this. Typically it'll start out the lowest size, which is 560 by 315, and we want to use 640 by 360. Now all we have to do, I want to go ahead and change this size, 640 by 360. And I just want to copy that. So I just Command C on the Mac or Control C on the PC, and now I've got this saved to my clipboard. Next issue. Let's go over to WordPress. And we want to go, I'm just going to try this in Quick Press and see what happens. So for content, I could just paste that right in there. Title, I just want to grab this information here, copy that, go back to the blog, paste in the title. We're just going to try this on its own and see what happens. And for tags, we do have tags. They're right here. Because we took the time to do that on YouTube, we can copy and paste those right in here. Just remember you have to do a little editing. And let's do publish and see what happens. And we're going to go to View Post. Wall Street, Main Street. Well, look at this. All we had to do was copy and paste it in. WordPress is getting better all the time. YouTube makes it easier. Everything's getting better. Now, on top of this, we do want to add the content. We want the words that go along with this. So let's go back and edit this post. Notice we've now got this yellow box, and that's our iframe. So that's the code that's built into this video. So make sure you don't click on that and destroy it, just leave it alone. And if you want to see what's going on, here's the iframe code. I just clicked on HTML instead of visual. And now at the bottom here we have our paragraph that we can start. I want to go back here and grab our content since we put the time in to make this up. Let's grab this, and that makes our blog content very easy. So we're doing this and maximizing our time. Make the edits now and save it. Take a look. Add your categories, post more tags if you need to, but notice the tags came in. They were separated by commas, so these all came in individually or by keyword string separated by commas. And we're going to say update. We'll go back to the front end of the blog, reload. Now we can play this right on the blog site. And at the end, so this is very clean, and somebody could watch it again. They could share it with others. They could use the code, email it out. Hopefully they'd tweet about it or make some comment and do something down here once they got into the blog post itself.
I'm a cartoon.
Simple little steps, but something that you can use in your day-to-day operations for your WordPress blog. So if you have any questions, contact contractorsyoucantrust.com. We're here to help.